AI gonna not replace the jobs, but the people who gonna use AI will definitely.
अभी जो करंट बजट आया उसमें भी एआई एंड इसके लिए काफ़ी सारा बजट भी एलोकेट किया है।
जितना ज़्यादा एआई एडवांस हो रहा है उसमें उतनी पॉसिबिलिटीज़ आ रही हैं कि वो जो इजी काम है उसको थोड़ा इजीली और आपके लिए ऑप्टिमाइज्ड वे में कर पाए और अच्छे से कर पाए।
छोटे से हैं मटकू दास, कपड़े पहने 150। What's the answer?
Onion.
This is a human, this is a robot, which is a friend, and these are flying cars.
It's a part of a revolution which we are going on.
Welcome to Fridays at MyGov.
क्या आप जानते हैं कि ग्लोबल एआई स्किल पेनिट्रेशन में नंबर 1 कौन है? नहीं पता? हमारी आन बान और शान, हमारा भारत। We are amongst the top 5 fastest growing AI talent hubs. What's more, भारत जेन एआई प्रोजेक्ट्स में GitHub पे सेकंड रैंक पर है और सबसे तेज ग्रो करने वाला डेवलपर बेस भी यही है। 80% of Indian companies prioritize AI, surpassing the global average of 75%. 2024 में सरकार से इंडिया AI मिशन को 10,300 करोड़ का ब्लॉकबस्टर बजट मिला और सिर्फ 10 महीने में भारत ने 18,693 GPUs की सुपर पावर्ड AI कंप्यूट फैसिलिटी क्रिएट करने का काम शुरू कर दिया। मतलब कंप्यूटिंग पावर, GPUs और रिसर्च अब सिर्फ बड़ी टेक कंपनीज के हाथ में नहीं बल्कि स्टार्टअप्स, स्टूडेंट्स और यंग इनोवेटर्स के लिए भी अफोर्डेबल है। Today, I am here at IIT Delhi, where some of Bharat's brightest minds are already shaping the future. But wait, आज का डिस्कशन कोई रेगुलर डिस्कशन नहीं है। आज हम एक मिशन पर है। पीएम मोदी ने एआई एक्शन समिट में दुनिया के सामने काफी सारी बातें रखी हैं, तो आज हम निकले हैं डीकोड करने सम ऑफ आवर पीएम स्टेटमेंट्स। एंड इन बिटवीन द चैलेंज टू डीकोड, मैं आपको बताती रहूंगी कुछ फन फैक्ट्स जिनको सुनकर आपको बिलीव हो जाएगा दैट भारत इज ऑलरेडी ऑन द फास्ट ट्रैक ऑफ बिकमिंग अ ग्लोबल एआई पावर हाउस। सो लेट्स बिगिन। तो बिफोर वी गो फॉर द चैलेंज, मैं आपको पहला फन फैक्ट बता देती हूँ। भारत अपना इंडिजीनियस एआई मॉडल लॉन्च करने के लिए बिल्कुल रेडी है, सिर्फ 6 महीने में। सोचिए, एक ऐसा एआई जो भारत की लैंग्वेजेस, कल्चर और हमारे जुगाड़ को समझता हो। सो लाइक आई सेड, वी हैव कम टू आईआईटी एंड पहला चैलेंज हम आईआईटी के स्टूडेंट्स को देने वाले हैं। सो गाइस, माय first challenge to you is give a prompt to your AI platform to create an image of a scientist. Are we done? Whoever, please take a look. Yes. The next one. It's okay. Okay. Are you done? Okay, next prompt. Create an image of a firefighter. Done? Done? Can we see? Please zoom into the camera. What do you think? How can we reduce this biasness, that we see on the AI platform, not showing women, mostly man, in almost every job, whether it's scientists or firefighters? We have seen that example right in front of us just now. How do you think that, we can just eliminate that part? Because if we talk of India, there are women scientists, there are, male scientists as well. So why not a female scientist when we talk of that? So how do you think that this biasness can be removed?
Yeah, I believe this is certainly a point to be made while we check the AI right now, because most of the platforms that we see control towards the gender specific towards the male itself, right? While it should have a data sets and more empowered data sets on the women part also, I believe this could be encouraged by government taking some initiatives to enable more women AI experts and making more women bring into the mainstream, where they can enable to participate in creating more data sets and bring more of the raw data from the villages, from the tier 2 or tier 3 towns. I believe that is missing in bulk as of now. Once I believe these initiatives are led by the government in creating a woman AI scientist, I believe this thing biasness will certainly be removed.
So I feel mainly AI analyzes the statistical patterns based on the data set which it has been provided. So I believe there should be a diverse data set which should be trained on Indian custom. There can be languages, that can be images, because if we give a prompt even like a CEO, so if the data set is mainly about the male CEOs which have been given, then only male CEOs would be present. But if it's trained on the biased data sets like Wikipedia, Reddit and verified Twitter accounts, then I feel that can tackle the challenge and mitigate this problem.
They had already mentioned it has a lot to do with the data sets. Like AI generally runs on social stereotypes because like all the data on the net is somewhat related to that stereotypes. So because of that, whenever we do some search, it basically represents to the stereotypical view of the society. So that is something on which we can like train our models. So we can like make new models which have better training data, and also like we ensure that all the stereotypes are mentioned so that it has a view and like it thinks on its own and does not like resort to the typical stereotypical view which we have of the society.
Strongly believe that it's not really easy for that, because you took out the part for male female gender discrimination and the similar biases that we even are not aware of. You can definitely get removal of the biases you do know. However, these biases are instilled in human nature itself as of now. So yes, dataset is one thing. Having synthetic data to increase the dataset amount, balancing them, there are certain techniques, but it's more about getting ourselves aware ki what are the biases. Once we know the correct biases, we can definitely correct them, maybe through the data sets or maybe through some guardrails for the prediction, changing the loss function and similar things.
But thirdly, actually, if we want to really change and bring a change in this context, it is by actually focusing on even journalism, like through journalism and blogging. We can actually change the data sets by actually recognizing where the patterns are, which is like even if we have more CEOs which are women, or we have more firefighters who are women, if we don't market them or if we don't channelize them, their words into web and Google, the AI won't be taking it from there and then training it on itself. So that's where it's not just the data set, it's not just our own biases, it's also recognizing that and changing those biases on a more human level.
फैक्ट नंबर 2, भारत ने AI कंप्यूट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनाया है जो 18,693 GPUs पर बेस्ड है। ये चाइना के डीप सीक से 9x ज्यादा है। और सबसे बड़ा प्लॉट ट्विस्ट, ये दुनिया का पहला गवर्नमेंट लेड GPU मार्केटप्लेस है। सो हमारा नेक्स्ट चैलेंज होने वाला है आंसरिंग द रिडल्स, AI वर्सेस ह्यूमन। तो यहाँ पे IIT के स्टूडेंट्स, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्रिलियंट माइंड्स इन द एंटायर कंट्री, तो मैं इनसे पूछने वाली हूँ कुछ रिडल्स और साथ ही साथ मैं वो सेम रिडल अपने AI प्लेटफॉर्म पे डालूंगी एंड आई विल सी हु आंसर्स फर्स्ट। सो माय फर्स्ट रिडल इज गोना बी सफेद तन हरी पूछ ना बूझे तो नानी से पूछ। 1 second. I have put the same in my AI platform. Your time starts now. Oh my god. So he has answered first. I just got my answer from ChatGPT and it's absolutely right. Next. चौकी पर बैठी एक रानी, सिर पर आग, बदन में पानी. What is it?
मोमबत्ती.
Okay. The answer is correct. ChatGPT और इन्होंने सेम टाइम पे आंसर दिया है। ऐसा कौन सा फल है जिसके पेट में दांत होते हैं? Let's see who answers first. ChatGPT.
अनार?
Yes. Yes. He won, guys. He won. He is faster than ChatGPT. छोटे से हैं मटकू दास, कपड़े पहने 150. What's the answer? Tell me quickly.
Onion?
Yes.
The peels of the onion.
Yes. This time it's like it's a draw. दोनों ने
Okay.
सेम टाइम पे आंसर दिया है। 100 में से 10 को कितनी बार काट सकते हैं?
एक बार।
हरी झंडी, लाल कमान, तौबा तौबा करे इंसान।
चिली।
Yes, he's right. Red chili is the answer for this one. ऐसा एक्चुअली है, आजकल लोगों को स्पेशली यंगस्टर्स को काफ़ी डर है कि AI के आने से, AI के राइज से उनकी जॉब्स चली जाएंगी। उनके काम पर, उनका जो काम है उसको वो पूरा AI से रिप्लेस कर दिया जाएगा। आपको क्या लगता है ऐसा पॉसिबल है इन द नियर फ्यूचर व्हेन AI is going to rise up and is it going to take away jobs?
Well, the definition of jobs might be changing. I feel कि like जितना ज़्यादा AI एडवांस हो रहा है उसमें उतनी पॉसिबिलिटीज़ आ रही हैं कि वो जो इजी काम है उसको थोड़ा इजीली और आपके लिए ऑप्टिमाइज्ड वे में कर पाए और अच्छे से कर पाए। तो आपको हेल्प ज़्यादा मिल रही है और कम लोग उससे ज़्यादा एफर्ट निकाल पा रहे हैं. बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि ज़्यादा लोगों की जॉब जा रही है. इंस्टेड इट इज़ मोर लाइक कि मोर पीपल आर इक्विप्ड नाउ टू टेक थिंग्स इन देयर ओन हैंड एंड गेट बेटर आउटपुट्स. तो ज़्यादा लोग आर गेटिंग इक्विप्ड कि वो बेहतर आउटपुट दे पाए, तो बेटर आंसर्स निकलने के थ्रू उनकी जॉब शायद बेहतर हो रही होगी.
So, like, obviously, there would be a change in the job landscape. Like, the jobs won't be the current jobs which we are having today. There would be a whole lot shift. New jobs would come, and obviously, the current jobs, like, some of them might be replaced. So, it's a part of a revolution which we are going on. And, like, as let's say, species, we have faced it a lot of times. Like, there was the industrial revolution, then also people feared that their jobs might get lost due to machines, and now also, like, it's somewhat similar. Obviously, it's a lot different, but we can draw a comparison that with the coming of AI, there would be change in the job landscape, but there would be new jobs as well.
I feel here the key thing is adaptation of AI rather than just fearing of AI that it will replace our job. क्योंकि AI, ML जो भी advancements आज हो रहे हैं उससे मेरे प्रोडक्टिविटी भी तो मैं तो एक स्पीड आ चुका है. तो व्हाट आई फील इज द थिंग्स विच आर गेटिंग ऑटोमेटेड इज बिकॉज ऑफ AI, द थिंग्स विच आर गेटिंग एफिशिएंट इज बिकॉज ऑफ AI. So my humble advice would be AI gonna not replace the jobs, but the people who gonna use AI will definitely.
I won't give a direct answer. मतलब fear भी करना चाहिए और नहीं भी करना चाहिए. It won't take all of the job. चीज़ें change होंगी, but if you are working hard, if you are doing things right, you won't face any issue. Redundant चीज़ें कम हो जाएंगी. जो continuously हम redundant काम कर रहे हैं, चीज़ें लिख रहे हैं, that will go off. But जो smart work है, that will be still with us. Core की चीज़ें, my department is biotechnology, and it's going crazy with AI booming. I see a lot of stuff going on in the actual core things. There won't be problem for jobs, but definitely we need to adapt. हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि इग्नोर कर देते हैं, but डरने की बात भी नहीं है.
फैक्ट नंबर 3, भारत में AI कंपटीशन ₹100 पर आवर के रेट पर अवेलेबल होगा थैंक्स टू 40% गवर्नमेंट सब्सिडी, और दुनिया में इसका प्राइस है लगभग 250 से 300 रुपए पर आवर.
It's a truth.
फैक्ट नंबर 4, साइक्लोन्स को प्रिडिक्ट करना हो या फार्मर्स की क्रॉप यील्ड को इम्प्रूव करना हो, ये सब भारत के AI सॉल्यूशन से हो रहा है. 18 AI पावर्ड सॉल्यूशंस डेवलप किए जा रहे हैं हेल्थ केयर, क्लाइमेट चेंज और गवर्नेंस के लिए. हमारा AI सिर्फ स्मार्ट नहीं बल्कि सोशली रिस्पॉन्सिबल भी होगा. So the next round of challenge is going to be AI in 2047. मैं इन IITians को एक मार्कर और एक वाइट बोर्ड देने वाली हूँ, and I will ask them to make an image of how they see AI in the year 2047. So let's get started with our first IITian. These guys before starting the round specifically told me, मैम हम लोगों की creativity अच्छी नहीं है, but that's okay. I want you to explain this image. What is it? Could you please?
Definitely. So the major point is that in 2047 इंडिया में सबसे ज़्यादा इंसान का बड़ा साथी I would say would be the robots, and mostly indigenous Indian अपने वाले robots. Along with that there will be flying cars, there will be the concept of that. Biochemistry, and humans will be having some kind of a connection with computer already which connects their mind to them, and I feel I couldn't draw all those things but due to the drawing capabilities being like not there, but other than that, yeah, that's how I see it, and I feel it is a pretty beautiful future ahead.
So guys, let me explain it to you. This is a human, this is a robot which is a friend, and these are flying cars. So this is another picture of AI in 2047 that we have got it from an IITian. I really don't understand it. Please, if you could explain it.
Sure. Basically, I feel like आज के टाइम में चीज़ें बहुत हेक्टिक हो रही हैं, मूव कर रही हैं बहुत फास्ट. रिडंडेंसी का वर्क है. आई बिलीव AI will reduce all those redundancy to give you time कि आप अपनी लाइफ को enjoy कर पा रहे हो with family. It's kind of similar as bonfire. Drawing अच्छी नहीं है, but you are living mountain, nature, similar places.
Okay, so
5 बजे के बाद.
5 बजे के बाद, these are the mountains.
Yeah.
ये है river. These are 3 humans with bonfire. What
मतलब
an idea.
life. And the other thing is, while you're working, at some time, there would be robots with you. You this crazy urban city we aspire of. This life with rural, with urban, mixed together. Good parts of both. That's something I see AI with in 2047.
That's clearly a great idea, and I'm sure every job or business person, whoever is doing this, they're going to love this idea. because it's chill as well as work.
सिंस हम 2047 की बात कर रहे हैं एंड इट्स अराउंड 22 ईयर्स फ्रॉम नाउ विच इज़ अ लॉन्ग टाइम, तो मतलब उसमें आई थिंक द होल लैंडस्केप वुड बी चेंज. तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज लाइक बेसिकली आई वांटेड टू रिप्रेजेंट अ फैक्ट्री इन विच इंस्टेड ऑफ वर्कर्स देयर आर रोबोट्स वर्किंग फॉर ऑल द मैनुअल एंड ऑल द हैजर्डस टास्क. मतलब आई डोंट थिंक हमें ह्यूमन लाइफ्स को और एंडेंजर करना पड़ेगा किसी भी फैक्ट्री में. कहीं भी जहाँ पे भी डेंजर हो हम रोबोट्स को भेज सकते हैं. एंड सिमिलरली लाइक हमारे पास ड्रोन्स भी होंगे फॉर ऑल द लाइक मीनियल टास्क एज वेल एज मतलब आपका कोई रेस्क्यू मिशन हो गया बाकी सारी चीज़ों के लिए भी, तो जिससे मतलब ह्यूमंस का काम काफ़ी आसान हो रहा है. एंड इसके साथ साथ लाइक मैंने ह्यूमन बनाया, इसका मैंने ग्लासेस बनाने का ट्राई किया था बिकॉज आई बिलीव कि जैसे जैसे हम प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं मतलब हम वी आर ट्राइंग कि लाइक in a small space, as small as possible, we are trying to fit in more computational power. Like जैसे phones में भी with each version it's improving and like it's going beyond only. So I think finally it would be a very small chip or maybe a glasses which like humans won't remain humans as 100% like biological. हमें एक छोटा सा mechanical component भी add हो जाएगा which would like let's say I'm not exactly sure क्या होगा but it can be कि आप मतलब विदाउट एनी डिवाइस ही सब कुछ कंट्रोल कर पा रहे हो, नेट का एक्सेस कर पा रहे हो, और मे बी जैसे वी हैव सीन इन मूवीज़ की एक लाइक वो स्पेक्टिकल्स टाइप होता है जिससे आप कर पा रहे हो. सो समथिंग इन दैट डायरेक्शन आई वाज थिंकिंग ऑफ.
Something very hi-fi and not flying cars and all. But what I would love to explain is like the core of our every idea is the heart, which is the human. So I would say that humans are irreplaceable at 2047 too. This represents something as automation, which we see AI, which is like building the efficiency in humans to automate it. So automations will be at larger scale, which could definitely replace humans in terms of like efficiency, but not the core of the heart again, because ideas are our own. And this is something, the agricultural stuff which I see, because definitely agriculture is something which will be keeping the humans survive, because agriculture should be focused and neither neglected. And this is something, an educational part which I feel which should be evolving of AI, that should be fed into education, because I feel is IITs में भी specific courses है but the specific branches हम जो कहते हैं वो नहीं है अभी. तो we can like focus and emphasis on the education in specific AI, and everything is sorted in a type of a bulb which gives the glowing idea and connected with the circuits, and the core of it is the heart.
Is IIT specifically working on any AI specific model or any AI specific platform that we can talk of in any field that we can get to know? Maybe our viewers can get to know a little bit about it.
Yes, well, many seniors are like in IIT. Many students are working on AI, and they are on the forefront of it. There are many small startups coming up from that. Firstly, like Juridex is one, which is AI for lawyers. There is Swar AI for speech therapists, and there is definitely there are multiple AIs, and all are right now in app form. There are many who are working in robotics directly integrating with that. There are many in AI security, and there are many indigenous projects which we are working on, and we are really excited to like make them a blast very soon.
There are a lot of projects we are working on as a student community, as professors helping us out. काफ़ी चीज़ें चल रही हैं. For student community, there are 2 clubs, Dev Club and Artificial Intelligence Society, with help of EDC, Entrepreneurship Cell, working on multiple projects. अभी तो community के लिए कि maybe on medicine, maybe on something other stuff. Faculty is working on precision medicine. एक आपके लिए दवाई जो ऐसा नहीं है कि सपोज मेरी दवाई किसी और को सूट नहीं करती, दिस मेडिसिन विल सूट यू. बहुत सारी वेराइटी पे वर्क हो रहा है, एंड वी ऑल्सो आर करंटली वर्किंग ऑन आवर ओन टूल जो ट्रांसलेशन करता है इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस के लिए, भाषा.in करके. क्वाइट वेराइटी ऑफ स्टफ इज गोइंग ऑन.
So basically a lot of projects are going on in IIT Delhi. Like we have our incubation center as well. Fit तो उनके regular hackathons होते रहते हैं. Like there are people working on predictive maintenance as well. कि जिसमें they with the use of AI they try to predict when the machine is going to fail before it fails, so that उसकी maintenance time पे होती रहे and there is no disruption. Apart from that, like there are a lot of student-based startups in AI as well. Like I think some of them have been mentioned. There's Juridex, then there's Swar AI. So all of these are some of the things which are currently going on.
So we can expect something big to come from IIT Delhi.
Yeah, definitely.
I have been seeing that the next wave of AI is the agentic AI, and we have been building and working on the agentic AI stuff at IIT Delhi. Even I have been specifically worked on media and AI. I have been seeing projects into the industry 4.2, and I feel the agentic AI, which is the current wave which is going on, and IIT Delhi will be bringing something stuff out of it.
फैक्ट नंबर 5, भारत सेट कर रहा है भारत एआई सेफ्टी इंस्टीट्यूट और लॉन्च कर रहा है 8 एआई सेफ्टी प्रोजेक्ट्स जिससे एआई एथिकल, अनबायस्ड और सेफ हो। तो हमारे यहाँ एआई टेकओवर का कोई चांस ही नहीं है। पीएम मोदी ने बिल्कुल सही कहा है, AI is writing the code for humanity in this century। लेकिन असली प्रोग्रामर्स हम हैं जो फ्यूचर को शेप करेंगे। भारत सिर्फ AI का यूजर नहीं, AI का क्रिएटर भी बन चुका है। तो अगली बार जब AI का फ्यूचर डिस्कस हो रहा हो तो याद रखिए, भारत is not just a part of this game, we are here to change it। आज के एपिसोड में सिर्फ इतना ही, अगली बार मिलेंगे with something that is